Hey everyone, I'm Tanya and welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I'm going to share with you how to prepare a marigold cream easily at home. Marigold flower is also known as gende ka phool in Hindi. This flower is rich in vitamins and it also has antibacterial properties which works best in your skin lightening and whitening. This cream also helps in removing dark spots, acne scars, pimples, pigmentation, and it also completely removes your suntan problem easily and quickly at home, and it will give you fair, glowing, radiant and spotless skin. And now let's see how to prepare this cream. And to prepare this cream, you're only gonna need 2 marigold flowers and you have to tear the flower. Just take out the marigold petals and remove the green part from it, like I'm showing you in the video. And once you have the marigold petals, now it's time to add the next ingredient, which is the rose water. And here I'm adding approx 2 tablespoons of rose water in it. And now you have to blend both these ingredients really nicely to make a smooth paste. And after blending or grinding both these ingredients, now your marigold paste is ready and it will look like this. Now you have to strain this paste just to remove all the lumps from it. And after straining, you will get the refined marigold juice and it will look like this. And now to prepare the cream, we need vitamin E skin oil, and if you don't have this oil, then you can also use vitamin E capsules or sweet almond oil. And you just have to add 1 teaspoon of vitamin E oil in this marigold juice. After the vitamin E oil, here I'm adding olive oil. This is the cold pressed olive oil, but you can use any olive oil which you have. And here I'm adding half a teaspoon or 10 to 12 drops of olive oil in it. And now just give a good mix to all these 3 ingredients so that they all combine with each other nicely and makes a smooth paste. And after mixing all these 3 ingredients, now it's the time to add the last ingredient, which is the aloe vera gel. And here I'm using the Saundarya Patanjali aloe vera gel, but you can use any aloe vera gel which you have. And here I'm adding 2 big tablespoons of aloe vera gel in it. And after adding the aloe vera gel, now you have to again mix everything really nicely to make a smooth, creamy, fluffy and a lump-free paste. And once all the ingredients are nicely mixed, your homemade marigold cream is ready and it will look like this. This cream is highly beneficial in skin lightening and whitening. It makes your skin even toned, fair, glowing and radiant. And the consistency of this cream should be medium, which is neither so thick and nor so runny. And it should be so much smooth, fluffy, creamy and lump free, like I'm showing you in the video. So now I'm just transferring this cream into this small airtight container, and you can use any airtight container to store this cream, and you can keep this cream in refrigerator for up to 15 to 20 days. This cream is highly beneficial in treating your skin and in removing all the dark spots, acne scars, pimple marks, pigmentation, hyperpigmentation, as well as uneven skin complexion. It lightens and whitens your skin tone and makes it more brighter, lighter, whiter and tighter. It has amazing anti-aging properties as well, which removes all your wrinkles, fine lines and sagging skin and gives you a fair, glowing and radiant complexion. So now let me tell you how to use this cream to get best results. So you just need to take a little amount of this cream and apply it all over your skin. After applying it, just give a good massage to your skin for about 30 to 45 seconds. And that is it. Just apply it normally as you apply other creams on your skin. And for the best results, use this cream twice in a day, once in the morning and the other before going to bed. So that's it for this video, and if you like this video, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel, and I will see you next time. Bye bye, take care.